right here is 5 tips for anybody dealing with cravings, okay? And I'm actually doing this while shopping, so that way, you know, you can also know what to eat, okay? Because eating the right foods in combination with the right practices to avoid those cravings is essential. Let's get to it. Tip number 1 is that you want to diversify your food, okay? Meaning, you know, get a wide range of food in the day, so that way you can get up on your minerals, your vitamins, you feel me? All the nutrition that your body needs, so that way you know for a fact that you're not lacking in anything, okay? This right is jackfruit, good for protein. And see, now something I think is super important for everybody to understand with this journey is the fact that, you know, when you're going from vegetarian to vegan, it's completely different dealing with those cravings then compared to going from vegan to, let's say, alkaline, or let's say high raw vegan, or let's just say raw vegan, okay? It's completely different. But for all those that are wondering about what I can do for dealing with the cravings, when you're on this journey to being vegan, to being vegetarian, to being alkaline, to being high raw vegan, to being raw vegan, to being whichever one it is, something to really understand is this: lifestyle is incredibly important. Specifically, you want to do fitness consistently. Not necessarily, you don't even have to really make progress, but being consistent will help you deal with those cravings. Reason being is because, you know, when you work out, that actually sends out the happy feel-good chemicals within your brain, which are called the endorphins, and they make you feel good, okay? They make you feel satisfied. And for a lot of us, when we have those cravings, it's not necessarily us having a lack of minerals or a lack of nutrition or something like that. It's really just us needing to feel content and to feel happy. Like, believe it or not, love is also nourishment, okay? Like, love is the most nutritive thing that you can have on the planet. This is why I get out into places like this. You know, I come out to nature. This is why the reason my name is Tropical Jeremiah. I believe in getting out to nature is the best thing that we can do. And it really is. Because there's nourishment in grounding. Although I'm not grounding right now, but like, you know what I mean. But grounding plus getting out into nature, breathing in, you know, the prana, being around nature, you know, because this is nutrition by itself. So another one that I really like to do is do breath work, okay? Because breath work has always helped me with my cravings. And just think about it, when you're doing breath work, right? When you're having those cravings, how do you typically feel? You feel like more than likely you're not present. More than likely, you know, there may be an emotional trigger that's having you be craving the foods that you want to have, right? But if you do breath work, you can be present, okay? You can really get down to the bottom of how you really feel, and you be very mindful and intentional about the things that you do from that moment forward. Submitting to your cravings is essentially a mindless action. My mouth is super watery because I just had these mangoes, and I'm about to have this jackfruit, so like full of hydration. Another one is simply just you being hydrated. So like, that's number 6, okay? This is gonna be 6. I'm gonna give you 6, okay? Because I like you, alright? But yeah, so another one is really being hydrated. The body is 75% water, okay? So you want to be able to get hydrated as much as possible, so that way you can, you know, also have that assurance like, okay, cool, well, I'm 75% water. I've had my food and I've also had my hydration, so like, I really don't need to have anything more than this, all right? Another one is actually getting up on your vitamin D, okay? Right now it's not so sunny out, but you want to get up on your vitamin D because it's really good for boosting your immune system, as well as, bringing more balance to your circadian rhythm, okay? It's essential for your health. ¿Qué pasa, hermano? ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien, muchos saludos.
Hey.
Acá del Ecuador.
Bueno. A little interrupted right there, but something I really want to say is this. I got something in my teeth. For all of my remote workers out there, I know you be suffering hard with the cravings, okay? Because I used to work a remote job, no sunlight in a day, straight to the computer, expose myself to the radiation, all of that, overeating, eating the sweets, all of that. I've done all of that, okay? And it's not healthy, okay? So it's essential for you to get outside, get your sunlight, you know, convert your cholesterol in your, you know, blood to vitamin D, and just simply soak up, okay? You are not a concrete human being. You are a jungle human being. You were not born with shoes. You were not born with clothes. You feel me? So you're meant to be in the tropics. You're meant to be in nature. Also, if you need some one-on-one help, some one-on-one assistance with converting to this lifestyle, overcoming your cravings, getting more energy, and literally learning how to thrive on this lifestyle, send me the DM, or if not, use this link up above somewhere to fill out a free questionnaire to get a free consultation. All right. Now, lastly, what you want to learn how to do is properly substitute. Okay. Anytime that I'm out with some people who are like not vegan or not on my level of being vegan or whatever, I simply just learn how to substitute my food. And that's why I also do high raw vegan, because in any setting, I can have at least a little bit of cooked food. Okay. So I can still attend restaurants with my friends, with people I'm just now meeting, etc. Okay, but learning how to properly substitute can really help you on this journey, because you can still be cool with your friends, you feel me, and go do what you want to do and hang out. But that's an easy way to not make your friends feel weird or off, as well as you still sticking to your lifestyle. Okay, but with that being said, like this video, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think about this video. If you like, if you don't like, if you want more of this, comment below, let me know. I'm all about trying to help people. Okay, so yeah, mouth is watery.